All right. Good morning. We are back here. It's been a minute. Friday, we're out fishing. Today, we're back for Mega Money Mondays. Good morning. We are on it. We up on it. So it's time to party. Looking here at the Nasdaq right now. What a move on Friday. I saw some people in the chat said that they got destroyed on Friday. How'd you get destroyed? Look at that. The 15-minute range, opening range break playing out there below the VWAP. The bear flags. Right there, pivot points. All right, so the overnight right now, just kind of going sideways here overnight. We did a little bit of a gap up here from the close on Friday, 21,800 in the sights right now on the Nasdaq, and we'll see how she plays. We're going to see how she goes. That's right. In other good news, I don't know if it's good news or if it's news, but in other news, we've now got over 300,000 subscribers. Over 300,000. 300,000 subscribers there on YouTube, baby. You guys are a part of it. You're a part of the subscribers. That's right. Ooh, buddy. Right now, looking at the ES here as well. ES overnight right now. Looking very similar to the Nasdaq here. Nasdaq, ES, obviously both selling off massively on Friday, and then the Sunday open, we kind of gapped up and have been kind of chopping around here with that gap down there, that dotted line, 6,030 area, bringing setting the gap down there from Friday's close. So just starting the week off here, getting it going, making some money. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. No rush. We're here to make money. We're not here to just jump in on every little move in the market. We'll see. We'll see how she pops off here later on today. Trying to be ready for anything. I feel like after not trading on Friday, I gotta just give me a little bit of time to get into it here. Sometimes you take a little break, you gotta get back into it. Something like that. Oh. All right, pull the Nasdaq here. Pulling up the Nasdaq. That 15-minute chart on the Nasdaq pushing off of the VWAP right now, 21,800 up there. So we're ready. We are ready. In other great news here, we now have hit our, we got a green day today. We flipped this morning, just one contract, flip it, get a quick $5, $10 profit, whatever it is. And now we are only 1 day away. We just need to basically flip one more day here with Tradeify, and then that's 30 days of green, and we'll get a payout, and then probably going to get transferred into the live account here. So, ooh, a lot of big stuff going on. A lot of big stuff happening. A lot of big stuff happening here today. And yeah, there it is. Not a bad way to end this, right? I bought 5 straight to funded accounts, and you can see here, or I guess traded these 5 straight to funded accounts. You can see the results. We're up $156,000 in with a 78% win-loss ratio. So pretty good to me. You can see nothing but green, green, green. We got February, we got January. What a time to be alive. 2025, baby, we going. Mike said, I never see you trade on Apex. What are you talking about, Mike? You see everything I do? You watch everything? You see everything that I do every day? I still trade on Apex. I still trade on Take Profit Trader. I trade them, you know. I trade them all. I trade Tradeify, I trade Take Profit Trader, and I trade on Apex. I've been trading on DayTraders.com. I've been trading everything. So just because you don't see it, don't mean I don't do it. Flip Future said Friday was amazing. Yeah, it looks like it was. Look at that move on Friday, just straight down. You could have got short and just closed your eyes at any moment and just went wee straight down with it. We'll see if some of that bearish momentum continues into today's price action. I do have a bit of a fear that we might have a little bit of choppy action here today. Is your girl okay? Yeah, my girl is okay. Why would my girl not be okay? The fucking moron on Twitter posting my home address and making threats. I'm pretty sure it's Danny Trades, because I got a text message last night at midnight from Danny Trades. Somebody gave him my fucking number and now he's texting me. Like, what the fuck? This kid is literally on drugs, man. Like, don't commit a crime and then text the person, you know? It might look a little incriminating, you know? It's a little incriminating, Danny. Yes, I'm serious. Somebody on Twitter has been paying for bots to post my basically posted this saying there's been like thousands of posts on Twitter saying, I can't wait to play baseball with Victoria. We can meet up at my house. That's my address. If you want to keep playing games, we can call the number. That's not even her number, by the way. And says, I haven't played baseball since I broke my kneecaps, but I'm excited to start with you next week. Seems a lot like something that Danny Trades would write. So, interesting. Hey, like I said, though, this morning, you know, I ain't worried. I'm very good with a gun. I have no issues putting a bullet either in your chest or your head or your kneecaps. So you can fuck around and find out. Not making threats, obviously, but you know, if you come to my house and you want to be dumb, you're gonna find out really quickly what happens. So yesterday also they called the gas company. They called a gas company saying that we had a gas leak at our house. So this like work truck pulls up to the house, banging on the door, thinking that the fucking house is gonna explode. And well, obviously we don't even have gas. I don't even have gas at my house. I don't have a gas stove or anything. So that was funny. So like I said, hey, if some idiot on the internet wants to make threats, that's totally fine with me. Like I said, I stay strapped. And as you can see here, I have no problem putting a bullet in a very precise spot. So it doesn't take much effort. Very, very easy to do it. So just putting that out there. Putting that out there for everybody. No threats, but hey, like I said, if you're going to come to my house, if you're going to make threats on the internet, just be ready, because you know, you know what I mean? You know? now Nasdaq just kind of in this range. I'm a little worried that we're going to get some choppy price action today, especially after that big move on Friday. We got the overnight high, the overnight low, about 100-point range overnight. We did gap up here. The gap up, the close from Friday is 21,680 area. So it's a wild time to be alive. Wild time. $21,800 a level. Jason, how was fishing? Well, on day one, we caught 28 sailfish. We got 5th place on day one. And then on day two, we just couldn't put it together, man. It was just freaky shit was happening. I lost like, I don't even know, six sails that day. It's painful. It just sucks to be like that close to winning, you know, like you're that close, or you're that close to like being in the money, and then to kind of blow it on day two. That's the problem with like the sailfish tournaments is, you know, it's 2-day tournament. Day one, day two, you got to do good on both days. If you don't do good on one of the days, then you're not going to win. So kind of just is what it is. It sucks, but we got 10th place out of 61 boats, which, you know, for most people, they'd be like, oh, that's really good. You got 10th place. But to be honest, it doesn't really feel like a good feeling. So why are you selling the boat? Because I'm getting a new boat, getting a bigger boat. Getting a bigger boat, baby. All right, Nasdaq right now getting denied right there, right at 21,800. Back to the VWAP for now, that 760 area. What times are you looking at for the overnight range? Don, that's not a real question, is it? Don, that is not a real question, is it? Don, please tell me that's not a real question, Don. Don, please tell me that's not a real question. Please tell me that's not a real question, Don. Please tell me that's not a real question. Oh, man. Don. My friend, the overnight range is, well, it's the overnight range. So basically 6 p.m. Sunday till now. It is like when I say overnight, it just basically anything that's happened from the close on Friday until now. It doesn't matter what time frame, doesn't matter what you're looking at. It's just the overnight move, right? Like the market has not moved, or it is moving this much overnight. That is what we're looking at here. Looking at the hourly chart right now, this could play out as a, you know, kind of a consolidation level before making that next move down. We're gonna find out. If everybody goes short for the gap fill, we'll move the market. I highly doubt it. You know, no offense to everybody in the chat, but I highly doubt if everybody goes short at the same time will we move the market here. No offense. I don't know. I don't think we got enough big whales in the chat to handle that. I don't know. I don't know, man. That might be a little hard to do. $300,000 people trading the Nasdaq at the same time. Could we move it? Probably not. The problem is most of the people trading are trading on sim funded accounts. That might be a fucking issue, you know. Everybody go short, and the market doesn't even move. Doesn't even move 1 point. Oh God, that wouldn't be fun, would it? Well, right now, holding up there at the VWAP. Another little push right up off the VWAP for now. You know, there's two ways to look at this. Maybe we retrace some of that move. That big move down from Friday. Like I said, no big news today. So that's a problem. We know that Mondays with no news normally end up being choppy price action. So we'll see. We're gonna see. No FOMO, no FOMO, no problem. All right, we're staying focused here, people. We're staying focused, people. Focused. Dollar bills. Dollar bills. So the Nasdaq in the range right now, here chopping around, going sideways right now. There you go. MCQ flipping his take profit account. Eval, get it funded. Nice little plan there. We got the ES as well in the overnight range. So overnight range here on the ES is going to be right there at that pivot point, actually 65s, and then that gap fill puts us down there to the 30s here on the ES at opens. So woo, 15 minutes till market opens. Patrick, do you know what happened to your live on Thursday? Basically, Comcast, all the internet just stopped working. It wasn't just for me. It was like, it said like 10,000 people that were using Comcast on Thursday. The internet went out. So Bit annoying. We're gonna try to have Alan back at some point. Alan trading here with us. We got some more special guests coming in this week, and got a lot of action up ahead. We got Power Hour later on today as well. So service repairs or mechanical failure. It just said that the service was out. Doesn't really say exactly. I got an email saying that your Comcast internet is currently down, and it's down for over 9,000 people or some shit. Yeah, no, it sucks for sure. It wasn't really the way that I wanted it to go, but kind of is it is what it is. All right. We're not in the best place right now, in the middle of this range, especially with the VWAP right in the middle of the fucking range as well. Luciano, did you email onlyprofirms.com, info@onlyprofirms.com? If you did, I don't know what to tell you, my friend. I don't handle the giveaways. I have nothing to do with it. Okay. Well, then what did they tell you? When you emailed them, what did they tell you, Luciano? What did they tell you? Again, it's not me. I have nothing to do with the giveaways, guys. Like, I don't facilitate the giveaways. I don't own the brokerage, so I don't know exactly what's happening. All right, you got no answer. I apologize. It's not me, bro. Luciano, how about this? Just put your PayPal address in the thing and I'll send you $100 so that you can stop being a fucking peasant. Literally, like, I get it, bro. You didn't get your eval quick enough. I apologize, but it's not me. Like, I'm telling you, like, it's really not me. All right? Just like, I don't know what to tell you. I'm going to stop doing giveaways on the channel because it's insane at this point. Like, I don't know what to do. I can't do it anymore. I ain't got time for the giveaways. Like, I get messages every day. People are like, hey, I won the giveaway. I was the first person to comment. Yeah, just put your fucking PayPal address in the chat and I will send you $100 right now. So that way you can go and buy an account or do whatever the fuck you want with it, bro. Again, like, I told you, email the people. Don't talk about it to me. I don't control it. I have nothing to do with the fucking giveaways. So fucking, it's like, I'm just gonna stop doing giveaways from now on because it's like every time it's always an issue with somebody. Waiting for your PayPal address. You got no problem fucking commenting in the chat about how you didn't get your thing, but now it's like, just give me your PayPal. I'll send you the money out of my personal bank account. I'll send you the money because I don't want you to keep having to wait for Tradeify. You know, I don't want you to have to wait for them. Oh my God. I can't. How much do the fishing tournaments cost? They can cost $15,000 to $25,000 depending on the tournament. $15,000, $25,000 for entry. That doesn't include the bait, the gas, the boat, and all that fun stuff. Yes, $25,000 to enter the tournament. All right, chat, what are we thinking today? Up or down at open? Up or down at open today? Luciano, I did not get your PayPal address. I can't, right, guys? This is where, Luciano, I can't deal with your bullshit right now, bro. I can't deal with it. I'm gonna focus on making money. You can worry about the fucking free account that you didn't get, supposedly. Like, that's your, I got no time to deal with it right now. I got no fucking time. Like, I'm not. I woke up this morning to a whole fuck fest of bullshit, you know? If you're just now tuning in, basically yesterday somebody was paying for bots to post on Twitter my home address, and then as that was happening, so I had a gas company come to my house and say that somebody called and said that there was a gas leak. So then I had to deal with that. And then later on that night, there was a car parked in my driveway. I don't know what the fuck they were doing. And then, yeah, it's pretty fucking stupid, man. Like, making threats on the internet and then calling a gas company, like, just all this shit. And like, I gotta deal with this. Like, I get it, you know, we talk shit, we have fun or whatever it is. We go back and forth, but it gets to the point where like, this is no longer fun. And this is now my life, right? Like, now my girlfriend, my whole, like, I've got to be worried about, is some crazy fucking person gonna come to my house and try to kill me? You know, like, that's where we're at now. So I apologize if I'm not in the best mood right now, but that's where we're at. So, and it's, I mean, yeah, it's not like, it's not impossible to find people's addresses online. But again, you know, making threats and then calling the gas company, like, you know. Honestly, my biggest worry is basically getting swatted. Like, that would probably be like the worst possible scenario, honestly. Imagine, you know, you're sleeping at home and all of a sudden the fucking SWAT team breaks down your front door. Can you call the police? I've talked to the police department. You know, they're not going to really do anything. There's nothing they can do about it. So it is what it is. All right, we got the poll right now. Little mixed results. 46% voting for up, 54% voting for down. Can I talk about the targets? I mean, that gap fill, 21,680 down there, would make sense from the Sunday open here. You know, we could just dump straight down there, get down there to the 21,680s. You got Friday's low down there, 667 area. So Friday we closed at the lows. And we'll see how she goes. We'll see how she goes. Right now, Nasdaq dipping below the VWAP here. We got 5 minutes till market opens. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Five minutes. Holding up there at the VWAP, we're right in the middle of the overnight range right now. So we could go up, we could go down. I mean, it's a coin toss. You know, it is literally just a coin toss at this point. So just an absolute coin toss, really. That's all it is. Still got 4 minutes here till market opens. Could Friday's sell-off push it lower? Yeah, I mean, it could. Big sell-off on Friday. Do we get some more continuation? You know, below this level, where do we go next? Looks like 21,500 area to the downside would kind of be interesting. We bounced off this area before. So will we get back down there? I guess like last week or the 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, we bounced off that level there. So oh, already dumping. Straight down here. 30-point drop already before market opens. Oh, Lord. It's going to be wild. It's going to be wild. Martin says, I think we go up. Uh-oh. Time for the market to go straight down. Just kidding, Martin. I'm just kidding, Martin. You know, I'm just kidding with you, dog. Just kidding, just kidding. But maybe, Martin, maybe. Bear flag on the bigger time frames. The overnight consolidation, that low down there at the 700s, the gap fill puts us 680s. I mean, I would be leaning more towards the shorts, but we'll have to see how she rides today. Nice and easy, my friends, nice and easy. Pushing back up there. We're below the VWAP right now, 21 EMA 770. We got that overnight high up there at the 800s. We got the overnight low at the 700s. So we're pretty much 100 points here. And we are directly in the middle of the overnight high and the overnight low. So, like I said, just might as well fucking ask the Magic 8 Ball. Magic 8 Ball, is the market going to go up this morning? Magic 8 Ball said, answer unclear. How is that possible? How is a Magic 8 Ball unclear? How is a Magic 8 Ball unclear? Here we go. 25 seconds here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We are blowing it up. Over 300,000 subscribers on the channel now. We got 4,500 people watching. Let's get that like button popping. And let's go. Here we go. Count it down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. She's open. Can she go straight down here at open is the question. Looking very weak right now. Sellers trying to come in here. Below that 750 area, the sellers probably be aggressive. If we get above 750, it might be a little bit of a squeeze back above that VWAP there. Right now, it looks like sellers are just hitting it. They're hitting it right now. Back up there towards the VWAP again. That 750 area, key level here for the bulls, the bears. They're trying to hold it below that 750 area. The ES is getting a little bit of support. Nasdaq's a little bit of support here for now. Choppy open so far, no direction yet. Let it do its thing here, my friends. Let it do its thing. Just very choppy so far. Still below that 750 area for now. We get back above this VWAP, could push through the overnight high just to squeeze out some bears down there possibly. There's that push right above the 750s now up there to the 21 EMA. Kind of looking like they want to squeeze it. Kind of looking like they want to squeeze it here. Uh-oh, they're squeezing it. Uh-oh, they're squeezing it, boys. They are absolutely fucking squeezing it. Oh my Lord. There's the squeeze. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Ain't that a fun one? There was that 750 area that we were talking about right there. Pretty much like that wick, right? The wick of this first little candle right into here. We got above the VWAP. They squeezed it right up there to the overnight high, that 800 level now. All right. Now we see if they bring it back down. It would be such a good dump right here if they just dump this straight back down now. Back below the VWAP already. Look at that 2-minute candle right now. That 2-minute candle is looking nasty. Already back below the VWAP here. If we start to really sell here, they could take this real quickly down there to try to fill the gap, lose that 740 area here, and then take it straight down from there. $740, lose that 740 area down to the 700s next. They're testing 740s here, 740s through 740s, 700 down there next. Let's see if they take it. And then that gap fill down there, 680s. 15-minute range coming up here in 10 minutes still. We have not had a real directional move yet, but I think we make a new low here very soon. Again, that 750 area, see how we're already back below that 750s once again. If they stay below 750s here and take it down there 700 next, there's 730s. That's a new low now. We want to see just a straight down move here to that 700 level. Straight down move, 700s. A little bit of a little bouncy bounce, 725 area. This should go. ES is making new lows. Nasdaq's making new lows. There's 20 points through the 740s now. Put it in the grave, Nasdaq. Put it in the grave. Take me down there to that yellow line. This is what I'm kind of looking at. This gap fill 700 level down there. Short, looking for a move down here. Can we get it? Basically stops at the 750 area for me. Just gonna get through the 720s here. If you look at the smaller time frames, she wants to go. All right, there's 720 tapping. Let's get right through the 720s here. Beautiful. Keep it going, baby. Keep it going. I'm moving some of my stops down here just so I can lock in some profit as we go down. Absolutely beautiful. 710s now. Hitting our yellow line. Give me that yellow line, baby. Give it to me. All right, so I got stopped out on some of the profit at 710s. I'm still holding for more lower. And I want to see if we can get all the way down there through the 700s next. Very beautiful trade here, boys. We broke that 740 area through the 750s again. Now we just need to get this continuation through the 700s to tap into that gap fill. Tap in. Tap in. And, oh God, I got another stop at 30. I might get stopped out here from that 40s. And 31 my stop on this on these runners. Oh fuck, that sucks. All right, we're stopped out for now. Was basically trying to get this to run down here, right? Wanted this to run down. Stopped out there at the 31s. Was watching the high of this candle. Took some profit there at 710. Took it there at 31. Those break below the 40s, and this is kind of right off that 700 level. This is the low from the overnight that we're bouncing off of. That, you know, that trade right there could have easily just went straight to the 680s. That's why I was kind of like aggressively trailing that. Now that it pushed back up just to stop me there. Scott trades 702. Let's go. We did break 700s actually, didn't we? We broke the 700s there. If this momentum continues, we can get down there pretty quickly to the 680s, be in that dotted line, the close from Friday there. There's your 700 attempt once again. Can we go? Can we go? Sorry, my circle is making it hard to see where the price is because I already told you where it was gonna go. They're just kind of sitting up there for a bit of a bear flag to the downside here. AAA. AAA. They're going to lose this 700 level. They're going to hit that dotted line here. It's coming. Justin started trading 6 months ago. It was pretty bad 2 months ago, but I bought your course and I watched the live stream. I took my first payout with Apex. Let's go. Hell yeah, Justin. If I could, I would send you that $10 right back, my friend, because you earned it. But hey, I'll take it. Free Chipotle on Justin today. Thank you for that, Justin. Thank you. Thank you. We love to see it. Tim Hoffey up $1,000. $1,000 times 4. Fucking A. Look at the chat winning right now. Chat, you got to stop winning so hard. You're going to get me in trouble. Chat's over here just winning too hard. Too much, too hard, chat. You're too hard. You make the money too easy. Stop making the money so easy, boys. Stop making it so you got to get me, someone got to arrest me for just being too good with you. We're over here just winning. She wants to go through the 700s next. 680, that dotted line down there, 677. If that dotted line don't get touched today, I'll fuck it. I don't know what I'll do, but I would be very, very impressed. That's very important level with that Friday close, the Friday low down there, 667 area, 668. It's just too much of a magnet to not get touched. It's too much of a magnet to not get touched here. This could just put in a 40-point candle right down there to the 660s next. These candles are looking nasty. Looking nasty. There's 690s. Can you take me high? Well, lower. Take me lower, Nasdaq. Take me lower, Nasdaq. Take me lower. Almost there. 85 the low on that candle. 84.50. It's going to hit the 80s. Trust me. This is obviously not financial advice. Fuck. As I said that, it pops back up. Hey, man, I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing, people. I don't know nothing, and I don't know nothing. But what I do know is gaps love to get filled. Will it happen? Look at the ES right now. ES down to the lows. Just still going lower. That gap fill in the ES puts us down there to the 6,030 area. Sophia just passed the 150K. Let's go. Everybody winning in the chat right now. All right, this is it. This is the attempt. This is it, boys. 680s. Tap it. Tap it already. Oh. Now they're just playing hard to get down here. Nasdaq playing games with my heart. With my heart. With my heart. With my heart. Why you gotta do that, Nasdaq? Why you gotta play games in my heart like that? With my heart. With my heart. Just keep saying, with my heart. With my heart. with my heart. God damn it, Nasdaq. Where'd we get to a low of 84.50? You gotta be kidding me, Nasdaq. You gotta be kidding me right there. That ain't some bullshit. This shit's rigged. It's rigged. It's fucking rigged, boys. It's fucking rigged. Oh no. It's rigged. All right, Nasdaq finding a little bit of support down there. Just front running that level, that 80 level down there, and pop it back up for now. We got the 15-minute range. 15-minute range here. There's your 15-minute low right where that gap fill is. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't make enough money today, chat. I did not make enough money today. 8,000 here. No bueno. No bueno. I think that's, if I do, let me do the math really quickly. I don't even know. I don't even know. It's a lot. It's a lot, chat. It's a lot. It's a lot. Nasdaq. All right, we look for a bear flag now out of the 15-minute range. Top step short from the 740s. They've been watching my fucking live stream again, clearly. Whatever, they're watching my live stream. People be like, Patrick, how many contracts you use? I'll be like, every single one. Patrick, how many contracts do you use? Every single contract. Every single one. Every single contract. But like I said before, you know, don't do as I do, do as you do. Me and you were different, right? We're different. I don't even have to make money trading. I can just lose every day and still be rich. But obviously I like winning more. I do feel like this wants to go lower, but giving it some time here, let it consolidate. We're inside the 15-minute range, which is conveniently also the overnight range, basically. That's pretty wild. The 15-minute range is literally just the overnight range. Isn't that wild? That's crazy. Crazy to think about, right? Crazy to think about here. I think we do go lower. The bears are unrelentless right now. Unrelentless. Just absolutely unrelentless. They should take out that 700 level. Just a bunch of bears. Oh my God, what was that? Did that just go straight down? What is happening right now? Chat, what is happening right now? 30 points straight down? The fuck? That was just a 30-point drop on a 1-minute candle. Well, I guess there you go. It happened. Nasdaq went to the gap fill. There's your, I think I even said this earlier, we could get like a 40-point move straight down to that 670 area, 660s. Here we are now. ES has still not filled the gap. Nasdaq wants to go lower here. Will it happen? What an insane move right now. Absolutely insane. There you go. 660 is getting tapped. Well, look at how beautifully that played out on the 1-minute chart. We pushed up there, 21 EMA, got stuck, built that little bear flag, and there you have the move down through the 700s now. What a time to be alive. Look at this fucking, right when I got short right at 700, and it covered, and I covered down at 63, 73. But what a move. Nasdaq just going lower. Mega Money Mondays. I don't know how I'm going to financially recover from this. What a crazy. We're back, baby. Took a day off. We back in the green. Well, we never not in the green, but we back in it. We back. I got to get some Twitter porn here. Give some Twitter porn out here. Nasdaq, look at this thing. 660s now, still going lower. Oh my Lord, 650s now. Where's our next target? We talked about this level, right? Down here, 514 being these lows down here on the hourly chart from 2 weeks ago. Oh my Lord, still going lower, 640. Oh, whoa, still going. What a fucking, there you go. Hey, if you're new to the channel, you're just now tuning in for the first time ever, let me break it down for you really quickly. What just happened here, my friends? Let me break it on down for you really quickly. What just happened here? Well, we got our 15-minute range, right? Find your 15-minute range, the first 15-minute candle. Take a look at it. We break the 15-minute range and we drop 50 points to the downside there. What a fucking move. It's still bleeding out, by the way. She can't stop. She won't stop. Well, she might stop at some point, but holy guacamole, are you not impressed? 610s now. Oh, this is wild. This is some wild price action, my friends. Absolutely wild price action. That was a 100-point drop through the 700s, basically. 90 points, we'll call it. PW is getting everybody paid today. That's right. Jack George is done. He's off to do some yoga. Let's go. All right, so now's a good time just to be patient. If you got some FOMO, you're feeling a little bit of FOMO right now, nothing wrong with just sitting back, waiting for the optimal setups. Right, we got some good price action. Market just going down here. Let it push up here a little bit. Build another bear flag. Bear flags, bear flags, bear flags. Everybody's done for the day. This is the problem with my live stream. Everybody leaves after the first 20 minutes because they make so much money. I can't keep people watching because they get in and they get out. They're making too much money. Chris M, thanks for the members chat. Well, thank you for supporting the members chat. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. So again, big thank you for everybody out there who tunes in every day. We got some real badasses in the chat. Real badasses out there. Bishop West said he's up today and he's going to step away. Nothing wrong with that. Take your profit and run, baby. It's your money. Take it. It's my money and I want it now. JG Wentworth. Right? You know what I'm talking about? It's my money and I want it now. That's how everybody should feel. After every time you make a banging trade or you make money trading, you should be like, it's my money and I'm going to get the fuck out of here now. That should be like your thought process. Nasdaq still going lower here, my friends. 590s now. She just won't stop. The ES now breaking through Friday's low. This is crazy, crazy times. All right, so both the ES and the Nasdaq broke through the lows from Friday now. So still going lower. God damn. ES is going lower. Nasdaq's going lower. There is no buyers stepping in. I think we're gonna see that 500 level before we know it. Two-minute chart. Look at this thing. Through the gap fill, 79 level, 680s. What the fuck? No green candles. No green candles, they said. Somebody called the market makers. Somebody said no green candles today, boys. That dump is just enormous. $570s. I gotta get some type of like pushback up here, you know, to another bear flag, maybe something. It's hard to get short down here right now, but clearly it's been paying for the bull, for the bears here. Clearly the bears have been getting paid this morning. The bears got their fucking teeth out. They're getting crazy out here. $560s again. We were just at 660. Now we're at 560, by the way. Look at this move. Same thing on Friday, they said. Oh, okay. I missed out on Friday's price action. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. I would love to see kind of a push back up into this 600 level to get denied one more time, you know, just to show that I'm not shorting at the bottom here. Right? Would be ideal, but they are not making it easy to get short here. Or maybe they're making it easy, but I don't know. $550s now, $540s. Good God. Good God. Chat, what is happening? 530s. $520s now. She just keeps going. There's that yellow line that we drew earlier. Remember that yellow line? We drew it. Now we'll see if they're going to respect it. There's a pivot point after that at the 469s. Pivot point down there. Oh my good Lord. There's your 500s. $490s now. Oh my. This thing just fell off a cliff. Fell off a cliff. Fell off a cliff over here. Wow. You gotta love futures. Nasdaq just goes lower and lower all at once. The old saying of just average down, it don't work, my friends. It don't work. Keep averaging down today, you're gonna blow up. real quick. Real quick. Still a fucking A. I mean, just don't know what you do here. I guess short or fuck. You can't short now. I mean, it's just like at a certain point, this has to find some juice, right? Juice. Someone's got to buy. $460s pivot point now. This is crazy. Still going lower. Fucking A. It's the end of the world. Maybe, I don't know. Anybody still short from the open? Oh my God. Will we get a massive reversal here now? I mean, it just fell off a cliff. 422s down there got tapped, or tried to. There's that push off of that pivot point, 448 pivot point now. All right, I think we gotta push back up here some. I mean, I'd be very surprised if we just continue going straight down like this. Be very surprised. But, you know, hey, maybe, I don't know. All right, now straight back up here. That's a 100-point move off the low now. A 100-point move off the lows. Right back up there, 540s. All right, we gotta see what happens here now. Damn, Junior. Someone said it's going to continue selling off. Okay. We're going to find out. That 15-minute candle's got 2 minutes left on it. Kind of see if this flag is going to play out, but it's a big move down. I expect more pushes. How's this look? Comparing that move to Friday, I mean, hey, it's kind of playing out exactly kind of how Friday played out. That 10 o'clock, a little bit of a pushback up, building out some consolidation before moving lower again. So I don't know. I do feel like there's decent of that support. The reason that we broke through that 520 level, 520, I don't fucking know. Who knows? I don't know. Nobody knows. That's the best part. Nobody fucking knows. Need to see what happens. We're pushing back up there. That 600 level. Bear flag's looking a little steep right now. Hitting that important level on the higher time frames there. See if it's going to push us back up here now. If you guys are just now tuning in for the first time ever, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button. We are doing this live all week long. We'll be back here for Power Hour as well. Had a pretty banger Power Hour last Thursday. Making some money here on stream. Tune in whenever I'm live. Hit that subscribe button. Get notified. Also, right now, Apex is that's an old ad, but Apex is 80% off. Currently 80% off for Apex here. If you want to check them out, use the code PW for always the best deals. Always. You can see how the ES filled the gap, and now still going lower. Now I want to be careful that this doesn't turn into like a higher low, right? Like we don't want this like pullback here to turn into a higher low and then we go back up. We want to kind of like let this figure out if it's going to be a higher low or not. Like kind of like it's doing right there, right? But hey, Look at the 15-minute fucking range today, by the way. 15-minute range right there. There's your 9:30 candle. We break the 15-minute range, and look at how beautifully this played out. Through that 680 level for what? 200 points to the downside there on the 15-minute range break. This is a classic. I want to say classic, but just a very simple strategy that we talk a lot about here on the channel, that 15-minute opening range. And you can see how that played out there very beautifully, right? Very. All right, we start moving down here again. See if we're gonna make new lows, but just want to be careful this doesn't like pop back up. Looking weak though. Looking weak. So like got WikiWix. If this puts in a lower high right here, this should be the move down to take us to a new low. Just watch. The only problem is like this hourly chart. You got 35 minutes on that candle. I think if we basically get below 520, then we go lower. And then if we start to like break out here, we could push up to that VWAP again, essentially. Right? Essentially, you know, just we're doing essentials. That 560 area right now, kind of holding it down to get above the 560s. It should try to squeeze up there through the 600s next. So either we're going to lose this 520 support or we're going to break through 560s and try to push up. So kind of what I'm watching right now. 560, 520 areas. Getting real tight there. Look how tight that thing's getting. We're gonna get a big move here, either up or down. Obviously momentum right now to the downside, but bears love to get squeezed. She's testing that 520s. Got a $100 donation. I didn't even see that earlier. Les D up 86,000 this month. Took a payout last week. Made over 250,000 with your guidance. I'll come to the BDH anytime you want. Lunch on me. All right. All right, Les D. Thank you for that $100, dude's killing it. Killing it with the $100 donation there. Oh God. Oh, it's so annoying. There's that 520 break. Let's see if that move takes us down there to that pivot point again, 470s now that we got through here. They take it through that 500 level there. Sellers trying to get it below keep it below 520s here. Buyers not really showing much strength. Get through the 500s. Holding up there at that 500 level for now. Looks like the ES and the Nasdaq just both want to make new lows here. New lows. You can see here the ES right now just sitting down there, looking very much like it's trying to roll off there, but we'll see. Michael with the $5 call out, long from the 530s. Michael, why you do that for? That was not the move, my friend. If you wanted to get long here, like you'd wait to basically get above that 560 area to get long. No reason to get long here at 530. I mean, personally, that's just my personal preference. Patrick, there's 1,000 lot at 21,500. Well, if we get below there, it's not going to be good. It won't be good. I got to go to the bathroom. Someone in the chat said, do I think it's going down? Well, I don't really think much. They are holding it up here for now, right above that 500. Someone said there's 1,000 contracts sitting there at the 21,500. So there's that they're going for that 500 level. Once again, they lose 500. This thing's gonna fucking make a new low of day. Don't tell me I told you so. 1,000 contracts down there at that 21,500 level. Are they going to get dumped on? Oh, man. Oh, man. Getting very tight here, 21,500s. They're getting sold into, only 900 contracts there now. If that 500 collapses, it'll be trouble. Holding up there again, 21,500. That 1,000 contracts holding the whole market up. There's a 500 break. Time for new lows. Time for new lows. My camera's not working. Nope. Well, I guess my web camera decided not to show up to work today. There you go. Nasdaq moving down here. 480s now. Costa done trading but taking a shower. Oh gosh. Just imagine Costa's, he's in the shower right now listening. I don't know if that's how I should feel about that. They are really just holding this up down here. I mean, if they push this back up now, then I would say the bears might be in trouble. The fact that they sold 1,000 contracts into that 500 buyer, and then they push it right back up again. I feel like realistically that, we should have went lower there. Is there a target lower? Well, I think just the low of day from earlier, 433. There's a pivot point right there, 473. We got about 12 minutes until the 1050 algorithm, till London starts to close down. Mike Up Attack got long down there and got stopped out. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. He literally got long down at like 510 and then got stopped out on that dip. Can't make it up. You just can't make it up sometimes, people. You can't make it up, man. All right, I think if we get, if we start to break out here again, like back above that 520 level, we could start to push. So Watch that 520 level here. $520s should give us at least like 20 points to the upside there, I'd say. There's the 520 break now. A little bit of a fake out. Oh, again, right back down here. $15-minute chart does not look very sexy right now. This little doji candle there. Dojis. Patrick, are you selling your boat? Yes, I'm upgrading to a larger boat. That's right. Daddy's getting a new boat. Daddy's getting a new boat. New boat goofing. What am I going to get next? Looking at getting like a Sportfish, Viking, something a little larger. 55 foot, 60 foot. That pivot point right there, 470s. Top step is long from the 506s, by the way. Hell yeah. Dakota's long at 518. Hell yeah, boys. Let's go. Hell yeah. I knew they're listening to my live stream. I said 520 break. They all went long. Who would have thought? Got him. Got him. All right, we're sitting right there at that pivot point now. Sitting right there at that pivot point. This music right now is intense. This music's intense, man. Music is intense right now. ES and the Nasdaq are just going sideways right here. We got the 1050 algorithm coming up. I think we lose the 80s next, and then we make a new low. That new low would put us down there 430s. There's a pivot point all the way down there at the 269s. Top step got stopped out, so now the market's going to go straight back up. Patrick, how is it that when 100 lot got filled, the market did not move? I don't think that 100 lot actually got filled. I think that was just spoofing. There's the break through the 80s now into the 60s. $936 is the low of days so far. The ES is already starting to move down. Nasdaq starting to move down. We should see that 36 level there next. Maybe not like right away, but like just feel the way this chart's looking. Chad Cobra's long from the 50s. Uh-oh. Chad Cobra, why are you playing crazy? Why are you being all crazy over there? Why are you being all crazy? Why'd you pick the 50s for? Just because the low of this candle? That 49 low? Or the low of, yeah, right there. The bottom of that candle is why you got long there. We're right there at that pivot point. Chad Cobra with that call out of the 50. Nice little bounce play there. Best part about the members only chat is we can actually have people who aren't completely retarded talking in the chat all day. Hey. we're going in the 1050 macro. This is the London close. Right there at that pivot point as well, holding on there. Holding on to the pivot point. I'm not short. I am not anything right now. Just sitting here watching this price action. I think Nasdaq just really, I mean, fuck, it wants that new low, don't it? One, two, three, holding up down there. I hate when the price action just like slows down right here at the lows. Like, I think it's pretty obvious that we're trying to make new lows here. It's just, do you short here? Probably not, probably not the best place to get short at, Well, she does look very troublesome here. Let's see, troublesome, very troublesome. That low of day is 36, by the way, 36.75. On the hourly chart, there's a pivot point right here, 448 on the hourly chart, pivot point. You can see on the hourly chart that 448 pivot point there. Maybe that's why we're finding some support down here for now. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Straight back up here again. Got the ES holding on right now. ES is kind of putting in a double bottom. Nasdaq trying to stay alive down here as well, right there at that pivot point. Getting real tight. Launching there. ES with the Nasdaq pushing back up now. Chad's looking for that VWAP, 67 long. I like it. You crazy, Chad. You crazy boy. Why are you so crazy, Chad? If you didn't see earlier this morning talking about my Tradeify accounts, we are now pretty much ready for a live funded account with Tradeify. We've gotten 2 payouts already. This will be our 3rd payout coming up. We've got a total of 29 days of green. That's right, 29 days of green. What in the fuck? I mean, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. It's crazy to think about. You know, it's just crazy. Crazy, crazy. That's also, by the way, that's stats for 5 of the straight to funded accounts. It's not like all of them. I mean, well, people always like, why do you have so many trades? if you look, like this is, well, Nasdaq's pushing back up there off that pivot point for now through the 500s. Nice work to Chad Cobra in the chat. But if you look, this is the stats for just one account. All right, so it's one account would be 31,000. This is the straight to funded account with Tradeify. We've got 31,000. We're on a current streak of 25 trades, green, and current day streak 29 days. So I'll take it. We started trading these accounts January 10th, and well, it's all real. You can see everything. My reports. My total P&L 31,000, average winning trade 700, average losing trade 1,000. Oh Lord, number of trades 88 total trades in basically 30 days of trading, with 70 of those being winning trades and 18 of those being losing trades, with a max consecutive wins of 25, with max consecutive losers being 3. And yeah, cranking, baby. We are absolutely cranking. I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I don't know. A lot of people got, you know, something to say, but the proof is in the pudding. And again, you can see here, you know, my most profitable day of the week is Tuesday. Tuesday. Does it say 34 or 30? Where you say 34? That's $34. $34. If it says like 24 with no K next to it, that just means that I basically flipped. So with Tradeify, they have a consistency rule, and then you've got to get 10 days of trading done. 10 days of trading with the straight to funded accounts, and then you can request a payout. This will be my third payout with Tradeify that I'll request. I think this coming week or tomorrow I'll request, and then I'll probably get moved into a live funded account at that point. So I don't know. Could I be better? You know, could I trade better? Sure. You know, could I make more money? Sure. Could I? Is there things that I can work on? Sure. Right? Like, is this the best stats ever? No. You know, I could definitely work on my win-loss. But the thing is, you got to remember, a lot of this is like, I don't really take a lot of losers. So a lot of times I end up taking profit early because I'm locking in profit, or just I only need consistency. So that the whole like average win-loss thing kind of gets skewed a little bit. But I think the 79% win-loss ratio for me is enough. You know, it's enough. All right, Nasdaq, a little bit of a mini bull flag trying to get back above this 21 EMA. We got the VWAP all the way up there. We held up on that hourly pivot point, right? So the hourly pivot point holding up for now, and see if we possibly get some push back up there. So Dell trades, you have 0 drawdown. You can't place a trade on your Tradeify eval account even after making 5,000. You might want to reach out to Tradeify. Personally, I'm not a Tradeify customer service. Patrick, is this your best month? Yeah, I mean, I don't think I've ever had a 30-day win streak. 30-day win streak. I mean, this is obviously 2 months. So, you know, January, I started trading in the BDH on Friday, January 10th. If you guys were here for that, you would have saw it. And we had 0 drawdown for 30 days. We never had any drawdown. That's fucking nuts. Like, that is really nuts. I don't know.
Gas?
No, we're not selling gas. No, sorry.
Oh, did you guys report a gas leak?
Fucking A, man. This is such fucking bullshit.
Something. We don't have gas at our place, and we had to send somebody back yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have a gas meter here, right?
We don't have gas. This was not us. I apologize for your inconvenience, sir. It's the second time in 2 days that it's happened, so I kind of expected that you'd be absent with the gas.
Oh, okay, let me
This is a fucking dude. My girlfriend Victoria just sent me a text message saying that fucking get the gas companies at the house once again, dude. Like, what a joke. This is seriously a fucking joke, people. Like, whoever you are, like, you're fucking, you know, you're really fucking, you're fucking with the wrong person, because you're gonna get caught, you dumb fuck. Like, oh, who the fuck does, like, it's a joke. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off there. I gotta go deal with this. I'm sorry, guys. It's not right for anybody. I would never do this to any, you know, I obviously talk a lot of shit on the internet, but I would never, you know, fucking make threats and post shit like that and go after someone's family. You know, this is my family's house. My son, you know, I have a 12-year-old son. I have a girlfriend. My girlfriend's family, her sister and brother, her sister and her brother-in-law are in my house right now. Like, this is fucked. It's really fucked, and nobody should have to deal with this. And yeah, I'm gonna go deal with that. So I'll see you guys later on for Power Hour, but I gotta go deal with this now. This is a joke. I'll see you guys later. Peace.